Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share, okay? Now we are going to discuss a trigonometry related chapter, submultiple angle. The problem is prove that sin 5 degree minus sin 67 degree plus sin 77 degree minus sin 139 degree plus sin 149 degree, okay, equals to 0. From left hand side, we get sin 5 degree plus sin 77 degree minus sin 67 degree plus sin 149 degree minus sin 139 degree. Okay, sin C minus sin D. The formula of sin C minus sin D. 2 cos 77 plus 67 means 4. 144. 144 by 2, 72 degree. Into sin 77 minus 67, 10 degree by 2, 5 degree plus 2 cos 149 plus 139, 149 plus 139, that means 140, 140, 280, 288 by 2, 144 degree into sin 5 degree, okay. Taking sin 5 degree as common, we get 1 plus 2 into cos 72 degree means cos 90 degree minus 18 degree plus cos 144 degree, cos 2 into 90 degree minus 36 degree, okay. Sin 5 degree, 1 plus 2 sin 18 degree, 2 into 90 minus theta. In second quadrant, cos will be negative. Cos 36 degree. As you know that the value of sin 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4 and that of cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4. 1 plus 2 into root 5 minus root 5 cancel, minus 2. Therefore, sin 5 degree 1 minus 1. Sin 5 degree into 0, 0. Very easy to solve. If any doubt arises, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. And thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.